And welcome to your midday sports report. General Manager of Independence Park Limited, Major Desmond Brown, says neither he nor his team was informed of a May 31 deadline set by CONCACAF for the National Stadium lighting to meet the required standard. CONCACAF on Wednesday changed the kickoff time for today's match between Jamaica and the Dominican Republic from 6:30 p.m. to 3:30 after the lighting at the venue did not meet the prescribed regulations. An inspection was carried out on Tuesday evening, but word later emerged that the cutoff date had already passed. Speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Wednesday, Major Brown made it clear that there was no such communication from local football's governing body.
We were not aware. I don't know if he said it. I'm not saying he did, but we were not aware. And he knew that we were doing things over the weekend to try and bring the lights. And nobody said, no, it doesn't make any sense. The decision has been made.
Major Brown was refuting claims made earlier on Sports Grill by JFF General Secretary Dennis Chung.
When you got that notice, was there an immediate communication with Major Brown re the lights?
Oh, yeah, man. We would have kept IPL up to date with everything.
Okay.
And they tried, to be honest with you, they did try, because I was at the stadium up until 9 o'clock last night. We got the report from Phase 3 on the lights at about 9:40. I got it and immediately sent it to CONCACAF. So they did try. And I won't take that away from them.
Meanwhile, the Reggae Boys will want to start their World Cup campaign on a positive note when they face the Dom Rep at the National Stadium this afternoon. Jamaica are in Group E with Guatemala, Dominica, the British Virgin Islands and the Dominican Republic. Their next match will be against Dominica, who suffered a 6-0 loss at the hands of Guatemala last night. Iga Swiatek continued her dominance over Coco Gauff to reach the French Open final and move closer to a third straight title at Roland Garros. The 23-year-old Swiatek, who is the top seed, broke in the first game of the match and, apart from briefly losing serve in the second set, retained control to win 6-2, 6-4. Third seed Gauff saved 3 match points before Swiatek closed out victory. The 20-year-old American has now lost 11 of her 12 matches against the world number 1. Finally, the Boston Celtics will face off with the Dallas Mavericks tonight in Game 1 of the NBA Finals. This will be Boston's 23rd appearance in the basketball showpiece, while the Mavericks will be making their 3rd NBA Finals appearance. The Mavs defeated the Timberwolves to get to the finals, while the Celtics got by the Pacers. And that's it for your midday sports report. Shamela, it's back to you.
Thank you, Spencer. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.